Resonance condition of the LCR circuit. If XL is equal to XC, let us suppose if XL equal to XC, then the impedance of LCR circuit becomes Z equal to under root R square plus XL minus XC whole square equal to R. The impedance is minimum and hence current is maximum. The impedance is minimum and hence the current is maximum. The circuit is purely resistive and the voltage and current are in the same phase. This is the resonance condition of the LCR circuit and is satisfied at the resonance frequency given by Fr equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. Q factor. I am talking about Q factor. It indicates the sharpness of resonance. It indicates the sharpness of resonance. It is defined as the ratio of the resonant frequency to the difference in two frequencies taken on both sides of the resonance frequency, such that at each frequency the current amplitude becomes 1 upon under root 2 times the value of the resonant frequency. I am repeating once again. It is defined as the ratio of the resonant frequency to the difference in two frequencies taken on both the sides of the resonant frequency, such that at each frequency the current amplitude becomes 1 upon under root 2 times the value at the resonant frequency. Q factor equal to resonance frequency upon bandwidth, and that will be equal to omega r upon omega 2 minus omega 1, and that will be equal to omega RL upon R, and that will be equal to 1 upon R under root L upon C. Power of AC circuit. Power of AC circuit. The average power in AC circuit consumed per cycle is given by the average power in AC circuit consumed per cycle is given by P average equal to V RMS I RMS cos phi, and that will be equal to V0 I0 cos phi upon 2. Here cos phi is called the power factor, which is the ratio of the true power. True power means P average to the apparent power V RMS I RMS. Power factor cos phi equal to R upon Z, and it can be written as R upon under root R square plus omega under the bracket omega L minus 1 upon omega C whole square. For a pure resistive circuit, phi is 0, then P average equal to V RMS I RMS, and that will be V RMS whole square upon R. For a pure inductive circuit, phi equal to pi upon 2, then P average equal to 0. And for a pure capacitive circuit, phi equal to minus pi upon 2, that P average equal to 0. Now, wattless current. What is wattless current? The current in an AC circuit is said to be wattless if the average power consumed in the circuit is 0. If the average power consumed in the circuit is 0, it is the component I RMS sin phi of the alternating current. In an inductive or capacitive AC circuit, the phase difference between voltage and current phi equal to plus minus pi upon 2. Power factor cos phi equal to 0, and so the current is wattless. Now, energy is stored in an inductor. Energy is stored in an inductor. When the current in an inductor grows from 0 to I0, meaning that when the current in the inductor increasing from 0 to I0, the magnetic energy is stored in it is U equal to 1 upon 2 L I0 whole square. Energy is stored in a capacitor. The energy stored in a capacitor when it is charged from 0 to V volt is given by U equal to half CV square, and it can be written as also half QV. It can be written Q square upon 2C. LC oscillations. LC oscillations. When a charged capacitor is allowed to discharge through a non-resistive inductor. When a charged capacitor is allowed to discharge through a non-resistive inductor, electrical oscillations of constant amplitude and frequency are produced. These oscillations are called LC oscillations. The charge of the capacitor satisfies the equation of simple harmonic motion d2q upon dt square plus 1 upon LC q equal to 0. Instantaneous charge q equal to q0 cos omega 0 t. Instantaneous current I equal to minus dq upon dt, and that will be omega 0 q0 sin omega 0 t. Angular frequency of free oscillations will be omega 0 equal to 1 upon under root LC, and the frequency of free oscillations f0 equal to omega 0 upon 2 pi, or it can be written as 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. The energy in the LC circuit oscillates between the capacitor and the inductor, but the total energy remains constant. The energy in the LC circuit oscillates between the capacitor and the inductor, but the total energy remains constant. Transformer. I am talking about the transformer. It is a device used to convert AC at high voltage into that a low voltage, or vice versa. Transformer is a device to convert AC at high voltage into that low voltage, or vice versa. For an ideal transformer, V2 upon V1 equal to I1 upon I2 equal to N2 upon N1 equal to K. Here suffix 1 refers to the primary coil, and suffix 2 refers to secondary coil, and K is called the transformation or turns ratio of the transformer. Number 1 is for a step up transformer, K is greater than 1. For a step up transformer, K is greater than 1, and N2 is greater than N2 is the number of turns in the secondary coil, and N1 is the number of turns in the primary coil. For second case, for a step down transformer, K is less than 1, or N2 is less than 1. AC generator. I am talking about AC generator. It is a device to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy of alternating form. It is a device to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy of alternating form. It consists of a coil of wire that rotates with angular velocity omega in the magnetic field B of a permanent magnet. The flux through the coil varies as phi equal to NBA cos omega t, where N is the number of turns in the coil having the face area A. At t equal to 0, the loop is normal to the field. Induced EMF E epsilon equal to NBA omega sin omega t, and it will be omega epsilon 0 sin omega t. And current I equal to NBA omega upon R sin omega t, and it will be I0 sin omega t. I hope you have liked my video. If you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.